Hi, I'm CC. I will cover the more basic functions of the TI-nspire, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finding function intersections. These are fundamental but essential for solving many AP calculus basic problems. Even the simplest operations can be powerful tools. Let's start with the basics. Understanding how to efficiently use the basic arithmetic functions on the TI-nspire can help you quickly solve more complex calculus problems later. Addition, subtractions, multiplication, and divisions are straightforward. So let's choose a calculate. Just enter the numbers and operators. For example, calculating 45 plus 32 and choose enter. It's as simple as entering the numbers and pressing the plus key. These operations are fundamental, but mastering them can speed up your problem-solving process significantly. Parentheses are crucial for ensuring the correct order of operations. For instance, if you want to calculate left parentheses 3.5, right parentheses, and multiply 2, and left parentheses 3.5, right parentheses, and multiply 2, and choose enter. You need to use parentheses to ensure the addition is performed before the multiplications. This prevents errors and ensures accurate results.